335 fresh cases of coronavirus COVID-19 were detected from the country yesterday. Of them, 308 are from the Minuwangoda cluster and the Paliyagoda sub-cluster, while the remaining 27 are from quarantine centres. The highest number of infections reported yesterday were from the Colombo district. This amounted to 237 patients.
Yesterday, we have identified 335 new COVID-19 cases. Majority are from the Colombo Municipal Council area, and we observe that some of these cases are coming from the highly congested flat residencies. We observe that people in these places, even during the curfew time, they are not adhering to the public health measures. They are mixing together and going to different houses and also not adhering to other hygienic measures. This is very alarming situation. This may cause that the disease more and more is spreading in these areas. So because of that, we kindly request from all the people to adhere to the public health measures.
The number of infections reported from the Gampaha district yesterday stood at 75. In addition, 10 cases were detected from the district of Kalutara, 4 each from the districts of Kurunegala and Nuwara, 3 from Hambantota and 1 each from Galle and Puttalam. Accordingly, the number of infections emerging from the Minuwangoda and Paliyagoda COVID-19 clusters have increased to 5,731. 1,041 of them are employees of the Minuwangoda garment factory and the other 4,690 are their associates. 661 patients attached to the Minuwangoda cluster have now returned to their daily lives following complete recoveries. Out of the 5,731 cases emerging from the Minuwangoda and Paliyagoda clusters, the highest number of cases were reported from the Gampaha district, which amounts to 2,908. The district with the second highest number of infections is Colombo, with 1,584 confirmed cases. 189 cases have been reported from the Kalutara district, while the district of Kurunegala has 114. Out of the cases reported from the Minuwangoda and Paliyagoda clusters, 52 cases were detected from the Galle district, 38 from Galle, 29 from the Puttalam district, 28 from Batticaloa and 26 from the Nuwara district, as well as 23 from the district of Kandy. Ratnapura so far has recorded 18 cases from the country's newest clusters, 15 from the Ampara district, 13 from Vaunia, 10 confirmed from the Matale district and 9 each from Mana and Matara. According to health officials, 8 cases have been reported from the districts of Trincomalee and Badulla, 4 cases have been confirmed from the Jaffna district and 3 cases each from Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, Hambantota and Monaragala districts. The Kilinochchi and Mullaitivu districts, however, are yet to report cases of COVID-19. With today's additions, the total number of COVID-19 virus infections in the country rose to 9,619. 4,142 of them have fully recovered and been discharged from hospitals. The number of active cases, however, exceeded the 5,000 mark, leaving the number of patients under treatment at 5,458.
දැන් මේ මොහොතේදී අපිට සක්‍රිය වෙච්ච රෝගී උපපොකුරු කිහිපයක් තියෙනවා. මුලින් පටන් ගත්තේ මිනුවන්ගොඩ පොකුර, ඊට පස්සේ කොළඹ ඩොක්යාඩ් ආයතනයේ ආශ්‍රිතව ඊගාවට මතුගම ප්‍රදේශයේ අගලවත්ත ප්‍රදේශයේ පොකුරු නිර්මාණය වුණා. කුලියාපිටිය ප්‍රදේශයේ පොකුරක් නිර්මාණය වුණා. කහතුඩුව ප්‍රදේශයේ දැන් යම් අවදානමක් මතුවලා තියෙනවා. මේ විදිහට රෝගී උපපොකුරු ගණනාවක් නිර්මාණය වෙමින් තියෙනවා. වඩා භයානක වෙන්නේ පෑලියගොඩ පොකුර වගේ පොකුරක් හදිස්සියෙම විහි වුණොත් එහෙම ඊටාම අපහසු තත්යකට මුළු රටම පත් වෙනවා සෞඛ්‍ය පද්ධතිය ආරක්ෂක අංශය ඇතුළුව. ඒ නිසා ජාතික වගකීමක් තියෙනවා ඒ පොකුරු නිර්මාණය වෙන තැනට වැඩ කටයුතු නොකිරීම වගේම අර පොකුරු අවසන් කිරීම සඳහා අවශ්‍ය කරන උපරිම ක්‍රියාමාර්ග වලට යන එක.
Also, 2 women who were being quarantined in the Bhagavantalav area have tested positive for COVID-19. The husband of one of the women, who is an associate of the Paliyagoda Fish Market subcluster, was previously diagnosed with COVID-19. Meanwhile, 7 members of the Board of Trustees, including the chief priest of a temple in the area frequented by the woman, were directed to self-quarantine. In the meantime, the wife, daughter and father of a resident of Haputale in Bandaravela, who was infected with COVID-19 while working at the Colombo dockyard, have tested positive for the virus. Health authorities decided to direct 221 people quarantined at the Brandix facility in Pinvala to the quarantine centre in Salava today. The group, however, denied moving to Salava facility, saying that they will not leave their current location until the results of their second PCR tests arrive. Shortly after, 25 among them was confirmed to have been infected with the virus. In a separate incident, a 25-year-old woman living in the area of Kudavella in Tangol has contracted COVID-19. She was hospitalized along with her 21-day-old infant. Meanwhile, a tense situation arose in the Ranmutugal area in Kadawatha when authorities arrived to hospitalize an infected woman. The heated situation arose between the police officers and the son of the infected woman. In the midst of the protest, however, measures were taken to transport the patient to a hospital. A police constable who was on duty at the Paliagoda Fish Market Complex checkpoint has also been infected with the virus. Elsewhere, 15 officers of the Colombo Crimes Division have tested positive for the coronavirus. In Kalutara, an SCF officer who was quarantined at the police training college has also contracted the virus.
මෙහිදී විශේෂම කිව යුතුයි මෙවර තිබෙන මේ COVID-19 පසුගිය අවස්ථාවත් එක්ක යම්කිසි වෙනස්කමක් දකිනවා. මේක ඊටාම ශීඝ්‍ර ලෙස පැතිරෙන තත්ත්වයක් තිබෙනවා. ඒකින්දම තමයි මේ වන විටත් අපගේ ශ්‍රී ජයවර්ධනපුර විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයෙන් මිනුවන්ගොඩ පොකුර, එවැගේම පෑලියගොඩ පොකුර සහ කන්දල්කාඩුව අපේ පරණ මේ තුන සම්බන්ධයෙන් මේ වෛරස සම්බන්ධයෙන් විශේෂ පරීක්ෂණයක් මේ අවස්ථාවේ සිදු වෙමින් පවතිනවා.
ලීව ආයුෂ් කරාබු නැටි දන්තාලේපය ශක්තිමත් දත් දෙපළකට